Minestrone soup, a beloved classic. This Italian vegetable soup is hearty and satisfying. Each spoonful bursts with fresh flavors. Minestrone is perfect for a cozy dinner. Minestrone means big soup in Italian. It's a thick soup with vegetables, beans, and pasta. Every region in Italy has its own version. This recipe captures the essence of this Italian favorite. Here's what you'll need to create your own minestrone masterpiece. Fresh, high-quality ingredients are key. Olive oil, 2 tablespoons. Onion, 1 chopped. Carrot, 1 chopped. Celery, 2 stalks chopped. Garlic, 2 cloves minced. Canned diced tomatoes, 28 ounces. Vegetable broth, 6 cups. Dried oregano, 1 teaspoon. Dried basil, 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Black pepper to taste. Small pasta like ditalini or macaroni, ½ a cup. Canned cannellini beans, 15 ounces, drained and rinsed. Fresh basil, for garnish, optional. Grated Parmesan cheese, for serving, optional. Let's get cooking. Follow these simple steps to make your own minestrone. Heat olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add onion, carrot, and celery. Cook until softened, about 5 minutes. Add garlic and cook for 1 minute more until fragrant. Stir in diced tomatoes, vegetable broth, oregano, basil, salt, and pepper. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 15 minutes. Stir in pasta and cook for 8 minutes. Add cannellini beans and cook for 2 minutes more until heated through. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Ladle the soup into bowls. Garnish with fresh basil and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese if desired. Serve immediately and enjoy. Minestrone is even better the next day. Leftovers can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. This soup is incredibly versatile. Add other vegetables you love, such as zucchini, bell peppers, or spinach. For a heartier soup, stir in cooked sausage or shredded chicken. Enjoy the warmth and comfort of this classic Italian dish.